Guys, I am Abbas and today we will see how to download and install SQL Server 2012. Let's start. Just follow the first link of Microsoft. Wait, it's by default English. Just click download, check this one and click next. I have already downloaded this file, so I don't need this again. Cancel. And no, just visit Windows download folder where I have downloaded that file. Make sure you have already installed .NET Framework 4 or any later version. No, just click. It will extract its files. Okay, wait for a while. It will take some time. Now, just click New SQL Server Standalone Installation. It will start in a moment. Take some time. Okay, alright, it started. Just click I accept. No need to send report to Microsoft. Okay, no need to update. Click next. Okay, it will take some time. My system is requiring a restart. No need to click OK, otherwise it will be in trouble. Okay, it have completed some files. Select all and click next. Now it's up to you to use default instances or named instance. I'm using default. Okay. Okay. If you want to enable SQL browser, otherwise just click next. Now you can choose between Windows authentication or mix mode. In mix mode you will have to provide a password and confirm that password. I am using Windows authentication mode. Next. Okay, no need to send report to SQL and Microsoft. Click next. Okay, now it will take some time. I will pause the video and then resume it. It's almost done now. Okay, you can see everything succeeded. Now just close everything and you are done. To check the installation of SQL, just search SQL and click SQL Server Management Studio. Run as administrator. It will open. SQL Server 2012 Management Studio. Connect. It's connected. New query. and left bar you can see that databases. Expand this and right click this one and click on new database. Name the database as you like. I'm going to name it as school. Okay, now you can see a school database. Open table, new tables, right click. Okay, now you can give any name. I'm first using ID. ID in mostly in int. Search for int. Okay, don't allow null because I'm going to make this a primary key. Okay, name navchar. Allow null for the name. Okay, navchar. Allow null, and at the end I'm going to use contact. Contact is mostly in int, so search for int. Allow null. Now just save this table name as you like. It's like student. Okay, now it's created. Just refresh and you can see a student name table. Expand this and columns. You can see every column is there. That's it for now. Subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thank you very much.